Want to use WhatsApp on your computer? I'll show you the fastest way to link your account with just one scan. No passwords, no typing, just point and go. Step 1. Go to google.com, search WhatsApp Web. Click the first result, web.whatsapp.com. On your phone, open WhatsApp, tap Settings, Linked Devices, link a device, point your phone camera at the QR code on your PC screen. Wait 2 seconds. Your PC screen will auto-refresh. Done. All chats sync instantly. Now you can type faster on a real keyboard. Like this trick? Subscribe for more WhatsApp hacks.